a very hard weekend for me. Had the pace in the timed practice, but quite unlucky in the first qualification heat. Got hit and went to the hospital, but checked out. I'm good. Hopefully will not feel the pain in a few days, but yeah, we're fighting in the middle because it was quite hard to fight back to the top, but yeah, a weekend to remember, but not in the brightest way.
So good recovery, and for sure see you in St. George in French.
Thank you. See you in France.